Greetings everyone. Today we're going to continue our explorations with Geometer Sketchpad, and we're going to be creating a famous fractal called the Sierpinski Triangle that you see here. This is a great fractal to start exploring fractals because you can understand the principles behind most fractals in this very simple example. So first you need to have again Geometer Sketchpad version 5.0 or higher. And open a new sketch. I already have a sketch open, so I'm gonna add a blank page myself. And the idea here is quite simple. You start with a triangle, and what we're gonna do is we're going to create an inner triangle here created by the midpoints of the sides. As you see, I'm selecting each of the sides of the triangle here, and then I go to construct menu and construct the midpoints. First I will construct the segments for the sides of this triangle, which is optional. You don't have to do that, but I kind of like to have a little frame there. And then you could use the Polygon Tool to create the interior of this that you have created. When you're done, you need to click one more time to signal that the polygon has ended. You could decide your favorite color. Let's try something different. Let's try, how about a yellow here? Well, want to make it visible. So how about we have a red here? As you notice, the opacity of the red color is right now quite faint. So you could actually fix that by going to Properties, going to the opacity option and make it opaque 100%, and it will look like a real dark red color. So once you've created a basic shape, the idea behind iteration, which we're going to find it under the transform menu, transform, iterate, nothing is highlighted now because I didn't select anything, is whatever you have done, the computer has been watching you create the shape. It is going to repeat that, so what you need to do is identify what I call the ancestors of your construction. In this case, if you think about it, we started with 3 points that are the vertices of the big triangle, and everything else came later. So what I do is I select them. When I go to transform, now it woke up. You notice that the iterate option woke up. I select that. And now it wants to know, where does the A go to, B go to, C go to? What is the transformed versions of these points? So what I do is by clicking, I select, this is my new top, this is my new left, this is my new right. And you can see already the transformation, the iteration happening. What we want to do is we want to add a new map, because I'm going to continue doing this on the left corner. Now this is my new top, this is my new left, this is my new right, and then I add one more structure, and now this is my new top, new left, new right. At this point you could decide how much you want to continue the iteration. You can increase the iteration. I do not recommend you continue it too much. It's going to really slow your computer. I kind of like maybe this option, iteration number 4 is probably plenty good for us. Okay, so once you like it, you can click on it and it should accept that. And observe, it's a dynamic construction. You can turn things around like that. And you could also use the things that we have used in other constructions before. You could turn this into a tool. Once you have this shape selected, everything about it, you could go to create new tool, and you could call this Sierpinski Triangle. And the advantage of turning this into a tool is that now you could use this tool to construct a version right next to it, so it looks like now like the Sierpinski pyramid. And from this point on, you could do all kinds of things. Imagination, use your imagination. But this is how you create a fractal. And the idea again is you create a shape, and then you select the ancestors of that shape, the points that went into creating that shape. So this was the Sierpinski Triangle, and we'll continue with some more fractals after this. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!